Subway Meatball Marinara. In under 2 minutes, learn how eating it affects blood sugar levels.
What would be the blood sugar response after eating a 6-inch meatball marinara? Blood sugar level changes were monitored for 2.5 hours after eating. The peak blood sugar reached 168 milligrams per deciliter, or 9.3 millimoles per liter. This represents an increase of 83 milligrams per deciliter, or 4.6 millimoles per liter from baseline. The high glucose response is due to the significant carbohydrate content from the bread and marinara sauce, combined with a high glycemic index of 72. However, the 21 grams of protein from the meatballs helps moderate the blood sugar spike somewhat. Eat it in moderation or pair it wisely with other foods to help manage your glucose response.
Subway Meatball Marinara Nutrition Facts. A 6-inch sandwich weighs 8.5 ounces, or 241 grams, contains 480 calories, 21 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, 18 grams of fat, 63 grams of carbs, 9 grams of sugar, and has a glycemic index of 72.
Blood sugar files. Subscribe to learn more how food combinations impact blood sugar levels. These educational estimates are based on metabolic and nutritional data. Individual results can vary. Consult your healthcare provider.